Welcome back to Paws for Orchids. My name is Louisa, and these are my paws. To my new and returning viewers, thank you for joining me. Today is a special day on Paws for Orchids. We have our fall 2024 scavenger hunt, so let's go check out what's going on in the garden. Today, we're going to have another scavenger hunt. We're going to go through my garden and check for buds and spikes and some growths. I know some of my cattleyas have some new growths coming in. And we're going to see together what is going on in my garden, especially in this grow area. I just can't get enough of this flower. It is so pretty. But let's start looking for some buds and maybe some new growths. Who knows, we might find some of those too. I see buds back there. And that's coming from this one in the middle. And she's got buds down here as well. And up here. When all this starts to bloom, it's going to be a really pretty show. Got some buds right there. That looks like it's two spikes coming from the same stem. A little weird. Oh, I see new growth here. It's kind of late in the season, but there it is. And there's another one back there. Oh, we've got buds here. Got some still coming up there. Buds there. Got some new growth here. This is one of the bag babies. There's a growth there, and then on this one, another growth. Kind of strange, it's not really growth season right now. Now we've got Gigantea spikes, one here, and one there. More spikes here. Got a flower coming there. That's my Heaven's Gate, I believe. And I've got a spike coming there. And this one actually has, I know, several spikes. He's got another one coming there. And another one around there. We got some spikes there on this Vanda. And that one is about to pop open. Those are the dens that I just repotted. So far, so good. We've got more buds coming there on these dens. And I know that a lot of my Oncidiums are getting ready to pop. There's one. And I've got buds coming on that Tolumnia. And then there's another spike right there on that Tolumnia. Sherry baby spike right there. Sherry baby spike just opened. And then this is, I believe, a twinkle. I don't know if you could see it, but there's a spike there. Another one there. Another one here. Another one back in here. And another one right there. And there's more back there for the Sherry baby. This is Lava Burst, putting out a spike as well. This is from the Orchid Den. Not sure if that's the right timing or not, but. And I've got my red cinnamon twinkle. I think that's what this is. This one has never-ending buds. This dendrobium is just always in bud. Some interesting things going on over in the fall section too. My summer bloomers, some of them are still pushing out some buds. I have over here, there's a spike. We are already having those drops in temperature at night. So some of these phals are pushing out their spikes for the new year. I saw a few actually. I just can't remember exactly where I saw them. So we're gonna have to look. Let's keep looking. And I know it was a few of them that had their New Year spikes already. Oh, here's another one. I think this one's pushing out a keiki. I come around this way. I also have another Tulumnia that I completely forgot about. Forgot she was here. That's a nice spike right there. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe so that you know when I post something new. In the meantime, let's grow together and don't be a stranger. See you next time.